Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a new website on Squarespace. So let us get started. Head over to your dashboard on Squarespace, and here on the left you will see a list of all websites and online blogs you have created or have been working so far. So you can click into this button to start editing and customizing it. However guys, if you'd like to start new, simply click into create website here in the top right. Wait for it to finish loading and then you tap, and after that select a category or topic for your website. So let me go with photography for the sake of this tutorial. Click into next into this button, and after that select the purpose for your website. So let me go with one of these here, for example. Click into next again, and last but not least, in step 303, decide whether you'd like to use an AI-powered website building tool to let the artificial intelligence help you or assist you in creating your website here on Squarespace. Or you may go with one of these ready-to-use customizable website design templates. So let me go with this option here. Next, click into all templates here in the Squarespace website template library. Browse through that list and select your website template. So let me go with this one here. Wait for it to finish loading, and after that, select, for example, a color theme here. So let me go with this one here, for instance. Click into start with this design and wait for it to finish loading. Let us give it a second. Saving colors. And there you go. After a brief moment, your website will be created. So you can start editing it by clicking into this button here, edit site. And after that, simply start editing it. You may go to the pages overview here on the left side and select, for example, or navigate through these pages. And after that, simply select the page you would like to customize and create. For example, that one here for a contact form, for instance, or information or various sub pages here. You may edit these guys by clicking into this button in the top left. And after that, simply browse through your page and add sections to your page, for example, by clicking into this button. And if you'd like to fill your sections with content, click into add block in the top left corner and select the type of content you would like to add, like quotes, various media like images, videos, audios, text boxes, buttons, forms, a newsletter, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. That's how you create a new website on Squarespace. For example, if I head back to my dashboard and refresh it, you will see that the website I just created has been added to that list of websites here. There you go. So you can customize and edit it by clicking into this button. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.